Welcome to Ecommerce X tutorial. So this is the Ecommerce X WordPress tutorial where I'm going to show you all the step by step to set up the theme as shown in the screen. So this is the top header menu, and here you can find the search bar, and this is primary menu, and in the left side this is the category, and this also works as a menu where you can find different categories of your products. And after that, this is just a slider where you can feature your products in slider form. And this is trending products. You can show your trending products in this section. This is product category. So this is the new arrival section where you can put the new arrival products in this section. And here's a deal of the week that you can feature your product. If you have a certain deals within certain time, so you can just feature here. This is the popular products. All the popular products that have been purchased very often are featured here. And this is also works as a trending product that you can show here. 3 section like sliding products, feature your products in different category wise like trending product, top rated products, and new arrivals. This is subscription section. You can set your email or whatever you like here. This is like call to action. And here's a certain description about your services and your products, your shipping methods, your supports. You can, and this is the blog section. You can feature your blog in this section. This is a company that you are associated with. You can just feature here the logos, and this is all footer section. This is also footer top menu, which we can talk about later. And these are the footer section. I'm going to show you how you can set up the theme like this. First of all, go to your dashboard, and in your dashboard go to appearance and themes, and in themes just click in add new and upload themes, and choose file where I have already downloaded the Ecommerce X theme here. I'm just going to choose this and open and install now. So it's already installed here, so I'm just going to activate it. Once I activate the theme, it just look like this. So this is a very basic WordPress theme. Like, we don't have anything, menu and categories, we don't have anything. So what we're going to do is just we're importing the data. So here, as you can see in the left side, so this is a 4 notification bar. So just click here and go to recommended actions. So these are the 4 actions that you need to perform before importing data. You need to install this WooCommerce newsletter plugin, one-click demo import plugin before importing data. So I'm just going to install this WooCommerce, activate the plugin, and finally I want to install this one-click demo import plugin, activate the plugin. Now I have installed and activated all the necessary plugins. All the 3 plugins are installed. Now I need to set the front page as static. So before that, I need to create one page. Go to page, add new, and I want to name this home. You can name it whatever you like. It's up to you, doesn't matter. But the important thing is here, template. In this section, set the page as front page and publish it. Now again, go to appearance and Ecommerce X setup, recommended actions, and click here static front page. We have already created one. Just click here static page and set the home as home page. Go to your dashboard again. Everything is turned into green. All the 4 actions are turned into green. Now what you can do is, in the appearance section, you can see this import demo data. So what it does is it imports all the necessary demo data to your site, customize and edit later as per your preferences. Okay, so just click in import demo data. Now it imported all the data. Now you can check your site. All the data are imported here. You can see you can do this in just one click. This is how you can import the demo data. Now you can edit as per your preferences from the appearance and customize option. These all are editable. So in the first setting, this is general setting. This is very basic setting that you already know, that you can set your logo from site identity, tagline, and the site icon from this setting. And let's go back, and colors. You don't have many color options here in this free version, but you get more color options in the premium version. So this is background image setting. You can set your background image if you want. There are 3 options. This top section is header top section that you can see here. Okay, and the second is header search option that you can see here. If you check this, and you see the search bar here, which you can search a product which is used for product searching. And this is header card option, which you can see in the right corner here. You can either hide it or show it. Normally we leave this as show, so that the user can see how many product he added in his cart. Going back, and this is front page setting. You can see a lot of options here, so this is very important setting. So you can set all this front page from this setting. So the very first setting is product slider section. As you can see, the product slider here in the very first setting. So you can either hide or show. Normally you keep show. So, and this is what you want to write. So you just check this. This is the headline of your product, and the button. This is the button, is kind of call to action. So you can see whatever you like. You can set this whatever you like. View product. So you can set this as per your preference. And this is the link that this button takes. So you can set the link here. Okay, and this is the second slider image. So you can do in the same way. You can set up to 5 slider in the very first setting. And in the second, this is the feature product section, which you can see here. At the moment there are only 2 products, so you can either hide or show, and you can choose whatever you like. Just I'm choosing shoes, so it will show up here. So there is no any product in the shoe category, so I will choose winter season. Now you can see the winter season here. This is how you can set your feature product. Going back to the setting, and this is trending product, which you can see down here. So just select the product which is trending. So as you can see, there are 4 products. No, there are 8 products in the trending section. So you can choose which category you like. So this is 3 to 10 option. You can show up to 10 trending products in your front page. So I just set 4 for now, so it will show just 4 products here, as you can see here. So going back, this is advertisement section, which you don't use most of the time. So if you want to use, you can set from here. You can set the picture here, and also the featured image size is also mentioned here. So this is how you can set advertise image. Going back, and product category section, which you can see here, product category section, you can set the different category from here. So this is the pink dress lady category. So this is the pink dresses lady in the section 1. In the section 2, you can set this one, check lady t-shirt, and in 4th you can set bags or whatever you like. It's up to you. So bags are shown here. This is how you can set the product category section. Going back, and this is the new arrival section. You can set new arrival down here. Here you can also set 3 to 10 products from here. So for now I just set 3. And deal of the week, you can set this deal of the week setting, which if you have some product which you are giving off, then you can set here. And timer also set here. You can set this label also. Going down, this is the popular product section, which you can see here. These are the popular from your site, so you can show up your product here in this section. Okay, so sell advertisement section, you can see this is also kind of advertisement which you don't use most of the time. If you want to use, you can set the picture here, link to that picture. As you can see here, find right trend section, you can set from here. So for now I just say main clothing, so it will show up here like this. Okay, and here also you can show up to 10 products in this option. So going back, this is new arrival section. In down here you can see the little slider here also, so you can set your product here, new arrival, top rated, and trending product as per your the number of sales and trending and new arrivals. You can set here. And subscribe section, this is kind of call to action, so we just need to choose the subscribe to discount option from this setting. So this is the shortcode of the newsletter plugin. Going back, and this is services section, which you can see here. This is the services section. Down here, latest news section, which you can see here. So you can just set this to blogs. If you have blogs, then it will show up here. Number of blogs to display, you can set from 3 to 10. Partner sections, so you can choose the partners here. So these are the associate companies that you are working with. You can set the logo here. You can see this also you can set up to 10. And that's all for the front page setting. This is very important setting and very nice setting. You can customize your front page as you like. So going back, you see the footer setting here. So payment method link, you can see down here these things. You can set the link to these payment methods from here. You can see, you can set your company name and the copyright from here. This is very normal. You can set, you have got 4 menu options, like this is header menu, and this is the primary menu, and this is category menu, and down here you can see this is the top footer menu. So you can set from here your menus. And widget, this is the widget section, so we can set the widget from here. And home page setting, as we have already mentioned in the one-click demo, so you just set static page here to home, because this home page is set to the front page from the settings, so this front page is set to the static page. So this is the WooCommerce setting. So you can see all these WooCommerce option from here. Okay, so you can set thumbnail width and main image width from this option, and this is how you can customize and edit your home page.